students, how are you? All are doing well? Okay students, so we will continue our lesson. Okay, yesterday we have started chapter 8. Okay, chapter 8, clothes we wear. Okay, so students, yesterday we have learned about the why do we need clothes and then different types of clothes. Okay, so students, today we will continue our class, and before we start our class, let me to inform you, and I would like to request all of you that will you watch this video in YouTube, so in a comment box you have to write your name. Okay student, so that it will be easy for me to understand how many students are left who have yet not watched the video. Okay, so that it will be easy for me to communicate with them. Okay students, so don't forget to write your name. Okay, so today students we will study about the clothes for different season. Yes student, we have different types of clothes. Okay, we have different types of clothes according to the season. Okay students, so let's go see the first thing. First is the summer season. Okay, so summer season students, we wear cotton clothes in the summer season. Okay, so now it's a summer season, isn't it? So students, now what we wear, we don't wear woolen cloth. Why? Because woolen cloth is so hot. Okay, it's make our body so warm, isn't it? So we don't wear. Now what we wear the cotton clothes. Okay students, the cotton clothes keeps our body cool. Okay, it keeps our body cool. So students, that's why we wear cotton clothes in a summer season. Why? In the summer season that the weather is so hot, isn't it? And if we wear the woolen clothes, then it becomes so hard in our body. Okay, then it will be not good for our body. So students, what we have to do, we have to keep our body cool. Then we have to, in the summer season, we have to wear that cotton cloth. Okay, and we get cotton clothes from cotton plant. Okay students, so we get cotton from cotton plants. So the last time we have already seen that the plants. Okay, that how the cotton plants are. Okay, so students, that is the summer season. Okay, in a summer season we like to drink the cold drinks. Okay, we like to stay in near the water or a beach side. Okay, so in a summer season we like to go to the hilly station. Okay, so students, because in the summer season that the weather is so hot. Okay, so and this time we wear the woolen cloth. Okay students, now the next one is winter season. Okay, in a winter season we wear woolen clothes. In winter season, woolen clothes keeps our body warm. Yes students, in how the weather is in a winter season? In a winter season the weather is so cold, isn't it? So in that time, Sunday, we cannot see the sun even in a daytime, isn't it? So at that time the weather is so cold, and that's why we have to wear the woolen clothes, jacket, shoes, cap, muffler. Okay, so all that side the clothes that we wear, here you can see, isn't it, that the gloves is cold. Okay, so students, in a winter season the weather is so cold, so now what we have to do, we have to keep our body warm, isn't it? And that's the reason that we have to wear the winter clothes in a woolen clothes in a winter season. Okay students, and the winter season we wear that the jacket, sweater, coat, gloves, cap. Okay, so this wool we get from the sheep. Okay, so wool we get from the sheep. Okay student, now let's go to the next one, and that is rainy season. Okay student, in a rainy season we wear that the raincoat, umbrella, and the gumboot. Okay, so we wear raincoat and gumboot in a rainy season. A raincoat helps us keep our body dry. Okay, so here is a mistakes. Okay, raincoat keeps us dry. We also carry an umbrella. Yes, students, in a rainy season what we do, we wear raincoat, and also sometimes we carry an umbrella. Okay, so umbrella keeps our body dry. Okay, so and that's the way, this is the clothes that we wear according to the season. Okay, students, now there are some more clothes that we wear according to the festival and the occasion. Okay, student, now you can see here that the many types of the dress that the children have. Okay, now they all wear different types of clothes. We wear the different types of clothes according to the festival and the special occasion. So we have a birthday occasion. Okay, birthday party. In a birthday party we wear a colorful dress. Then we wear, in a marriage season we wear a different clothes. Okay, then in a festival we wear a different clothes. Okay, student, there are we wear the clothes according to the occasion and festival. Okay, some like to dress up in silk cloth, and also like to wear jewelry. Okay, some people they like to wear silk cloth. Okay, so they like to wear silk cloth, especially in a marriage occasion. So most of the people they use silk, especially lady they wear silk sarees. Okay, so we wear the things in a different way, and different clothes in a different occasion. Okay, students, now here we can see we all wear colorful and fancy clothes on special occasion like a birthday party, festival and wedding. Some like to dress up in a silk clothes. They also like to wear jewelry. Okay, students, so this is the way that we wear different clothes in a different occasion. Okay, so now see here, students, there are some more clothes that we wear according to our jobs. Okay, we wear according to our jobs. Like you are the student, so what you have to do, you have to wear the uniform, isn't it? So you have your own uniform, and every school they have a different colors uniform, isn't it? And our St. Stephen school have a different colors. Okay, student, so that you have to wear it. And when we see to the doctor, they have a different dress. Okay, when we see the fireman, okay, so in a fire brigade, the person who work in a fire brigade, okay, so they wear they have a different clothes. Nurse have a different clothes. Master chief have a different clothes. Mason has a different dress. Okay, nurse has a different dress. Patient has a different dress. So we wear the clothes according to our jobs. Okay, students, sometimes people wear special clothes to work. Okay, that is called uniform. So that the uniform is made in such a way so that the uniform become very comfortable for the person who wear that, and it will become easy for to do his job. Okay, student, so that's why there are the different clothes uniforms are there. Okay, so students, here we see we saw that the clothes are according to the season, with the clothes are according to the occasion and the festival, and also there are the clothes according to our jobs. Okay, students, so this one we have complete. Okay, so now let's go to the next one, students, that is quick view. Okay, here we can see sometimes people, this one already we have studied complete. Sometimes people wear special clothes to work. It is their uniform. It helps them to work comfortably. Okay, children also wear a uniform to school. It makes them attractive and smart. Uniform of school is different. Okay, students, we know that the uniform of this school is different, and when we wear the uniform we look smart. Okay, when you wear a uniform you look smart. If you don't wear a uniform, also you look smart. Okay, but when we wear that uniform, it's make us more attractive. Okay, students. So now let's go to the last one. Quick review. Okay, students. Now let's go to the quick review. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, and dust. Okay. So students, why do we need clothes? We need clothes to cover our body, to protect our body from heat, cold, rain and dust. Okay, students. And the second one is we wear different kinds of clothes in a different season. Yes, students, we wear the clothes in a different kinds of clothes in a different season. And also we should always wear a neat and clean clothes. Okay, clean clothes make us look smart and healthy. Okay, students, we have to always keep it in mind. We have to remember that we should always wear neat and clean clothes. Don't wear your dirty cloth. Okay. Okay, students, and clean clothes make us look smart. Okay, so students, so this much we have so far we have complete our class. Okay, now it's a time of homework. Okay, so student, page number 63 and 64. Okay, 64D and up to D. Okay, from 63 A, B, C and the D, that is in page number 64, that you have to do. And also there is some then in the puzzle is there, crossword. Okay, in the last page number 64, that you have to complete it. Okay, student, and you have to send it into my personal WhatsApp number. And don't forget to write your name in comment box. Okay. Okay, student, bye bye. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Okay, bye bye.